श्री गुरु बसवलिंगाय। Let us know origin and development of this life energy. This life energy plus matter is our body and mind. From where this body and mind has come to this world in this body. Once the Big Bang happened, then in that spot the all matter has been spread entire universe. In that universe, that consciousness also there in the universe, but it has no any safe or in any matter. That consciousness, when it was spread entire world in the form of space, waves, particles, electrons, that began to, when it become a nucleus and become an atom, as per Sir Isaac Newton's theory, law of attraction has begun and big particle attracted the small particle. In this way, the spreaded particles began to accumulate in one place. First it has become a space, then it has become the air, then it become the fire, and it has become the water, lastly matter, solid particles, matter. Let us analyze this matter, this transformation and transform from one place to another. Two theories has involved in this. That is, high density particles began to flow towards the low density particles space. That is, in the religious words language, they say Prithvi, that is solid matter, Apu, that is liquid matter, Teja, that is fire, Vayu, that is air, then space. Along with a transfer from high density to low density, as per in this religious language, they said Surya, that is heat, and Chandra, that is cold. High heated space, it will become space. In that space, the low high density particles waves will accumulate that place. In this way, these all has happening according to that consciousness, that is Atma. In the language of religion, Prithvi, Appu, Teja, Vayu, Akasha, Surya, Chandra, Atma. In the scientific names, matter, liquid, solid matter, liquid, then fire, then air, space, heat, cold, then consciousness. These all matters, 7 matters come out of that consciousness only. Consciousness was entire universe. As per Basaveshwara Vachana, he said in Kannada, Jagadagala. That is entire universe. Wherever that universe, the conscious is spread. Mugilagala. Wherever that space, the consciousness also there in the Migayagala. Then after that, beyond this that universe, that consciousness also available in that place. Nimmagala, that consciousness. Pataladinda attata nimma Sricarana. Pataladinda inner, that our body has become with cells. In cells there is a atom. That atom has the nucleus. In this nucleus there is a programming. In this programming, neutron, proton, electron. In this inner, whenever you go, there is the consciousness is hidden in that programming and in that nucleus. That from that nucleus, that programming, the body has formed. In this way, this consciousness first formed the space. In Kannada language, they say Battabayalu, entire space. Then the same become in the form of waves. After that, it can become the particles. Then it has become the electrons. Then electrons become the nucleus, neutron and proton. In that neutron, proton, there is a programming, that is DNA. This DNA is a programming how a life should become, what are their functions, what is that matter, that their anatomy. In this way, the same consciousness become the owner of that our body. That particle has come from that consciousness. In that programming, originally we are become of 46 chromosomes. Where there is a 46 chromosomes, that is stable. In the female egg, there are 23 chromosomes, and in the sperm also 23 chromosomes. They 23 chromosomes have no stability. They want to become the full. So they attracted each other. When they mix together, when they attached 23 male chromosomes and 23 female chromosomes at one place, there is a spark that become the life. at the at instant when they attached, there is that is the fertilization. In that fertilization, the egg has the power to survive for 4 days. All vitamins, protein, matter, everything there in the egg. After 24 days, the that egg will attach to the mother's womb. Then it becomes stick to the female, that is in placenta. They want placenta. The placenta will absorb the blood from the mother, and they become to create the nervous system, endocrine system, circulation system, digestion system, excretory system, skin, entire. As there is a programming in the DNA, then after 9 months, the body will come out of the mother's womb. That is the birth of our child. When child will become healthy child, it is the duty of the mother and father to be healthy. If mother and father both are healthy, the baby will be entirely fully healthy. In the Kannada folk song, there is a song, ಆಚಾರ ಕರಸಾಗು, ನೀತಿಲಿ ಪ್ರಭುವಾಗು, ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೂಡಾಮಣಿಯಾಗು ನನ್ನ ಕಂದ, ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯೇ ಆಗು ಜಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ. ಆಚಾರ ಕರಸಾಗು. The child will become, for action, it is like a king, ಅರಸಾಗು. ನೀತಿಲಿ ಪ್ರಭುವಾಗು. For ethically, it should become the God, Prabhu. ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೂಡಾಮಣಿಯಾಗು. In the speech, it will become like a diamond. ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯೇ ಆಗು ಜಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ. That child will become the light to the entire universe. Such a healthy, mentally and physically healthy child will come in this universe when mother and father you are healthy. That is, the same thing is told by in Vachana Jagatjyoti Basaveshwara, that ಭವಬಾಧೆ ಭವಪಾಶಗಳ ಕಾರಣವೇನಯ್ಯ. That is, ಭವಬಾಧೆ ಭವಪಾಶ, all the miseries and unhealthy and diseases, what is the karana, what is the reason? Then Basaveshwara said that for that ಭವಬಾಧೆ ಭವಪಾಶಗಳ ಕಾರಣವೇನಯ, what is the reason? This reason said, ಹಿಂದಣ ಜನ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಗವ ಮರೆದೆನಾಗಿ. In the last life you have forgotten the linga. Linga means consciousness. You are forgotten the consciousness. ಹಿಂದಣ ಜನ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಜರೆದನಾಗಿ ಜಂಗಮವ. ಜಂಗಮ means consciousness. Linga means the body. Body has become the diseased body and mind has become the tension mind. Then all miseries, then diseases will come to this child. Our next before birth means our mother and father are the first birth. First birth, the baby is the successor of that birth. In this way, for healthy body or healthy mind, we should go through the healthy mind and body of the mother and father. After that words, the mother and father is no connection. If the mother is healthy mentally, physically, then the body will develop in the womb thoroughly. After 9 months, that body will come out of that mother, that is delivery. After that, the duty of all the family members is to take care of that child in smooth and wealthy atmosphere and giving the healthy food, that is where all vitamin, protein, fat, carbohydrates, that is healthy food should be given to the child. In this way, healthy atmosphere and love and affection should be given to this child. Then the child will develop entirely healthy. In this way, we come from the universe, where from consciousness to space, space to waves, from waves to particles, from particles to electrons, from electrons to nucleus, proton, neutron, nucleus, then programming. From that programming, utilizing the 5 elements and heat and cold by the consciousness, it has developed the body. That consciousness is developed by body and is in this body. This way, the body has come into existence in this world. That puja means take care of this body and mind and be healthy entire his life. For that, there is 3 things to be followed. One, what the cell, we are made up of cells. What cells needs, we have to supply. That is, cells needs protein, vitamin, mineral, fat, carbohydrates, water, then heat, cold, and healthy consciousness. If supply with this, and when the action begins in the cell level, there some toxins and waste material will come out of that cell. That waste materials and toxins should have to be removed instantly. Then when we remove the constants, that toxins and waste materials, the body will be already healthy from cell level to body level. For that, one, we have to supply the what cells needed and remove the toxins and whatever the unused particles from the cell. For doing this action, there is a consciousness. We should be in consciousness. When consciousness is obstructed, in disturbance, the same consciousness will become the mind. Mind and consciousness one and the same. When it is in obstruction, it is in tension, it is in disturbance, the same consciousness will become the mind. When this the consciousness becomes silent, peace then it will be as a consciousness. So for our entire health we need healthy consciousness. That is, mind should be vanished. Where that has come, mind means disturbance. Consciousness means silence, peace of state. When it is peace, it will do all the functions. For doing the functions, we have the memory, nervous system, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. For automatic condition, air condition, there is a endocrine system, that is the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, pancreas, adrenal glands. In gents, status; in female, ovaries. These are the air condition of the body. Up to whenever the air condition is okay, all our functions will be automatically. There is a homeostasis in our body. For maintaining the homeostasis, that consciousness, the brain system, that is nervous system, and endocrine system are very, very, very important. Up to the healthy endocrine system and nervous system, we will be okay for 100 years. But what has happened to us, all our problems in our home, we have become the geyser, automatic geyser, automatic lighting, automatic closing, automatic door opening, automatic, everything has become the automatic. But whereas God put systematic that air condition in our body and mind, that has become manual. Where there is a manual, there is a danger to homeostasis. When it becomes disturbance in automatic system, then that organs will be damaged. If damaged, it will come in the name of BP, sugar, cholesterol, heart attack, cancer, any in the form of disease. For that, we have to be healthy of brain, nervous system, endocrine system, exocrine system. If we put, we will be healthy. This putting the cyst in the homeostasis is nothing but that is Ishtalinga Puja. It is said by Jagat Jyoti Basaveshwara, Lord Basaveshwara in the Karnataka, 12th century. I want to explain this later on in detail. Okay, thanks.